Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. So today, you can probably tell by the title, we are unboxing a Link plush. This is going to be for my videos. David, you're probably asking, why you open plushes, not like diecast or anything else? Well, because I got this for $10 at Walmart. Probably could go on Amazon or eBay for just $7. No. But let's get in here. Come on. Oh no, yeah, that's one on. My Yoshi's in my Mario. Oh, this one is a lucky bags. I really like it. Bags. This is how I open. I'll just wait for a couple seconds. I'll just keep this video paused for a little bit. Then it'll be opened. It's magically open. Yee! Here it is, guys. Link boy. Come on, guys. Start like this. Let's back to this. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Yeah, that's good. But make sure you like and subscribe for this video. And that's it. Goodbye.